Hey guys and gals out there, this is RockinRaffi bringing you another edition of RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. Happy summer, everyone. I know the sky's a little bit gray, but that's okay, because it's June gloom. But it's also the beginning of summer, which also states it's peach season. And we've got the perfect summer grilled dessert for you. This easy dessert is made perfect after a huge barbecue meal, requiring only a few ingredients, and we only use the best, so everything that we're using today is all organic. And in today's episode, we're going grilling, and we're grilling peaches. If you recall back in December of 2018, I made eggnog French toast with a homemade orange vanilla whipped cream. Well, in today's episode, we're gonna be adding an extra ingredient to this recipe, which is the vanilla bean. But wait, it doesn't even stop there. We're also going to be making an amazing homemade sweet balsamic glaze. And I'm going to show you how it's all done right. Well, enough of the chit chat. Let's get grilling. Now, before we start grilling the peaches, let's first start off with making the vanilla bean orange whipped cream. In a medium-sized bowl, add 1 cup of heavy whipped cream, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and also the seeds of a half a vanilla bean, and 1 zest of a medium-sized orange. And beat with an electric mixer on a medium speed for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until you get a nice stiff peak that forms up. Place this in the refrigerator until ready to use. It could be stored for up to 1 week, but trust me, it's not gonna last that long because you're gonna eat this and gobble it up before the end of the week. And now it's time to move on to the balsamic vinegar glaze. 1 cup of the best organic balsamic vinegar you can find, in with 6 tablespoons of honey. Combine this together in a small pot or saucepan over medium heat. Bring to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat from medium to low heat and let it simmer, stirring it occasionally until the vinegar thickens up and is reduced by half a cup, which will take about 18 to 20 minutes. It should be thick enough so that it can be coated on the back of a spoon. And now comes time for one of the main stars of this season and this episode, the peach. Prepare the grill to medium heat. Run a sharp knife along each peach seam to cut them in half. And remove the pit. And brush each side with olive oil. Place the peaches cut side down first on the grill and cook undisturbed between 4 to 5 minutes. Don't reposition the peach once it's on the grill so that you can get a good grill mark. Now flip the peaches and cook until tender for another 4 to 5 minutes. And looks like we're done. That's it. So let's go ahead and remove the peaches off the grill. You want to sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon on top of each peach. Sprinkle on some thyme and add a dollop of the vanilla orange whipped cream that we just made. Add a mint leaf on each one of the peaches. And now for the final touch. Let's go ahead and drizzle on that awesome homemade balsamic vinegar glaze. And there you have it. And here it is. It's time to tantalize our taste buds. Talk about juicy. Wow. This is peach perfect. Unbelievable. the flavors that we've got with the balsamic vinegar reduction and the whipped cream. Oh my God, it just, you're in a whole new universe with this. This is amazing. This is mouth-watering. This, I mean, just cutting it, there's juices flowing everywhere as you see. And just biting into it, it just bursted all the peach juices all over the place in my mouth. I gotta tell you guys got to try this. You guys gotta grill some peaches, man. You know what? After a heavy barbecue, you know what? You got the barbecue on, lower it down to medium, throw the peaches on there. Hey, and if you want vanilla ice cream next to it, why not? Do a scoop of that instead of the whipped cream. It is just... And for those of you that are returning subscribers, I want to welcome you back. If you're here for the first time, I want to welcome you to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. I want to hear from you. Have you ever had grilled peaches before? Share with all your friends and family. And that little notification bell, well, don't forget to click on that so you are notified when my next videos upload. Grilled peaches. I mean, peach perfection is all I can say. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. And until next time, keep on rocking.